So, even if people are sleeping, imagine being able to deliver packages in the middle of the night or restock restaurants quietly before they open. Whenever people need, at any time of day or night, Tesla is working to meet that need. Just a few days ago, Tesla quietly revealed new images showcasing Optimus's latest arm system. Blink, and you might have missed it. There was no flashy announcement, no dramatic video, yet this update is massive. The arm is now lighter by about 1/4, significantly more precise, and can adjust the strength it applies during every tiny moment of a task. Picture Optimus watching a single instructional video on motorcycle engine repair, then grabbing a tool, taking the engine apart, and putting it back together flawlessly. No other robot on the planet can match that. As Elon Musk often highlights, while most robots need to be coded manually or controlled remotely, Tesla Bot learns at incredible speed. Just show it a couple of videos on the internet and it can pick up 100 new skills in a single day. From adjusting fuel injectors to replacing spark plugs, all without forgetting or repeating any mistake. Optimus Gen 3 is no longer just a laboratory experiment. It is now ready to walk right out of Tesla's Texas facility and into the real world. By the way, before we go further, this channel, Amp Drive, is still in its early days. We are a small but passionate community with fewer than 1,000 amazing subscribers. If you're enjoying this deep dive and want to be part of our growth, why not join the Amp Drive crew today? Subscribing takes just a second, but it means the world to us. Be among the first to say, "I was here before Amp Drive blew up." Thanks in advance for helping fuel our mission. Now back to the story why. Is Elon Musk unveiling this new design so quietly? Why so much focus on the hands? What makes the latest Tesla Bot Gen 3 design stand out? This next generation model features 22 degrees of freedom. Elon even said it will eventually be able to play the piano. Yes, you heard that right. Play the piano. That's how sophisticated it is becoming. The new shoulder and arm design in Tesla Bot Gen 3 represents a serious leap in the world of humanoid robotics. Replacing the older double-hinge design, this latest setup introduces a real ball and socket joint with a harmonic drive built directly into it. This allows smooth three-directional movement. Now the arm can reach tricky spots and move with incredible precision from nearly any position, drastically increasing what it can do. At the center is a very compact harmonic drive built inside the joint itself, offering strong torque and nearly zero movement error, all while making the arm lighter by more than 1/4. It also has regenerative braking to save and reuse energy, which helps the robot run longer. Surrounding the joint are sensors that track pressure, force, and motion in real time, giving instant feedback to the robot system. This system gives Optimus the ability to handle both fragile items and heavy materials easily, shifting from task to task without breaking a sweat. Every wire, data line, and air system is hidden inside the arm, protecting the sensitive parts and making it easier to repair. The outer shell is made from a light metal mix, reinforced with carbon fiber, cutting down more weight, reducing drag, and increasing speed and agility. Gen 3 can now carry up to 7 kilograms just as smoothly as the previous version did with 5 kilograms. Its efficiency per cycle also improved by about 20%. The smooth outer surface and flexible mechanisms also make it safer around people. In total, this redesign is not just an improvement, it is a complete leap forward. It allows the Tesla Bot Gen 3 to handle detailed assembly work, move materials, help outdoors, and support household tasks with excellent precision. This sets a brand new bar for practical, human-like robotics. Optimus runs on Tesla's high-end neural network and visual computer system. Thanks to this system, Optimus can learn complicated tasks just by watching them once, and then relearn them even faster if needed. It might sound wild, but someday, when you own an Optimus yourself, you could show it a video of your favorite artist playing music. The robot would study every hand movement, chord, and beat. Then, it would guide you through the process like a personal tutor step by step in a way that feels natural. This ability to watch and learn from videos is key to Optimus' success. But for all of that to work, it needs something very important besides just a brain and memory. It needs hands, very special hands. Tesla calls them the best robotic hands in the world. And here's something fun, to think a Buddha robot can still be useful without legs, but without hands, it is basically just a hunk of metal. Think about how many human tasks can be done sitting down. That makes hands even more critical than legs. Even though Optimus currently moves at just about 2 miles per hour, which is not very fast, it is the robot's careful, skilled hands that make it truly powerful. That's what puts Tesla far ahead of the competition. Elon Musk has shared that the hands are among the most complex parts for the Tesla team to build. Every sensor and motor was made from scratch, using basic principles of physics. From the elbows down, the hands receive the most engineering attention. With around 82-dimensional cameras and ultra-sensitive touch sensors, think of a robot that can act like a full-time security guard for your home. The Tesla Bot's vision system uses the same advanced tech found in Tesla cars. That same system helps cars spot obstacles on the road, and here it helps Optimus see and understand what is around it with incredible accuracy. So when it walks through your house, it can easily detect pets, furniture, or anything else in its path. Inside a complex factory with loud machines and busy lines, Tesla Optimus uses this vision tech to study the ground, map out its path, and move through the workspace smoothly and safely. This helps boost both safety and performance. But why did Elon Musk decide to improve this specific part of the robot's design in Gen 3? The changes from Gen 2 to Gen 3 in the Tesla Bot's arms mark a major shift in the kinds of tasks Optimus can do. The difference becomes crystal clear when you focus on the hands at the ends of those arms. In Gen 2, Tesla gave Optimus hands with about 11 degrees of freedom, which already beat most other robots. But those hands still had limits. They could grab objects, tap buttons, or fold clothes. They could even water your plants. But they struggled with tiny, delicate tasks. Threads slipped, small tools dropped, and some movements just felt too clumsy for real-world jobs. With Gen 3, Tesla has solved these problems by designing what Elon Musk proudly calls the best robot hands ever made. These new hands offer 22 degrees of freedom, closely mimicking how a human hand and arm move. The sensors and motors inside have been fully updated. The entire hand is sealed against water and dust, keeping the wires safe and improving touch sensitivity in each finger. This means the same robot hand that can open a jar could also gently hold an eggshell, thread a needle, or tap piano keys with perfect pressure without needing any changes to its hardware. Now Gen 3 Optimus can perform all sorts of detailed tasks Gen 2 could never dream of. Where Gen 2 could walk upstairs, hold heavy trays, and load the dishwasher, Gen 3 can now handle complex actions requiring both strength and delicacy. In recent tests, Gen 3 did things like sort silverware, trim delicate plants, and even sew stitches into fabric with the precision of a beginner surgeon. Tasks like these were impossible before. What makes all this possible is the combination of smart mechanical design and Tesla's AI control software. The hand now includes 8 high-resolution cameras built into the wrist and palm. These cameras feed visual and depth information into the same kind of computer that helps Tesla vehicles drive themselves. At the same time, every joint in the hand has sensors that track pressure and movement. All of this feedback loops back to the AI brain, allowing Gen 3 to adjust its grip in a fraction of a second. Beyond simple chores, this new arm opens up users in factories and hospitals. In production lines, Gen 3 can quickly move small parts, gently handle fragile items like glass or ceramics, and even use standard power tools. These were jobs that once needed human workers or specialized machines. In hospitals, Gen 3 could hold medical tools, manage medicine bottles, or run basic testing equipment all while being supervised by professionals. This flexibility fits Elon Musk's dream for Optimus to become more useful than a car. With the ability to handle detailed work, Optimus shifts from being just a cool idea into something that can truly help people every day. Importantly, Tesla also focused on keeping costs low. By using the same 4680 battery cells found in Tesla cars, Tesla Bot Gen 3 powers its systems using small but powerful energy packs hidden in the arms. This removes the need for big battery packs and cuts down weight. Wires and motor parts are designed to snap into place, making the robot easier to build. This helps Tesla stick to their target price of about $20,000 per robot. That makes it affordable for businesses in retail, warehousing, healthcare, and more. These robots are not just for tech labs, they are tools for real work. What really makes the Gen 3 arm special is not just one big change. It is the result of many small upgrades working together. From AI that guesses what task is next, to arm parts that can be swapped out quickly, every part was designed to reduce repair time and increase daily use. The robot can learn by watching videos, improve through practice, and perform across many settings, all while being gentle and precise. Together, these arm changes move Tesla Bot from a simple concept into a real assistant, ready to take on thousands of human jobs with better speed and accuracy. By doubling its movement range, adding better sensors, and blending it all with Tesla's AI and battery skills, Tesla has reimagined what a human-like robot can do. Optimus is no longer just a walking torso, it is now a helpful partner ready for real tasks. What has Elon Musk said about making Gen 3 with this new design? He has made it very clear that Gen 3 is not just a minor update. It is the heart of Tesla's plan to change how we work. From early demos to internal chats, Musk has framed Gen 3 as the robot that breaks free from lab tests and enters real life. He says that building a version fit for large-scale use meant starting from scratch, not just tweaking small parts. He has said many times that success will not be measured by cool lab demos. It will be measured by whether thousands of robots are rolling off the lines. Earlier this year, Tesla built the first Gen 3 unit in Fremont, using over 1,000 custom parts. Musk called this version the one that could handle many real jobs, and he hinted that it would be revealed soon. Instead of another flashy event, this reveal would show a product ready for real testing, with waterproof hands, thinner motors, and smarter energy systems. Musk noted that Tesla improves Optimus daily, but Gen 3 is the one that will go beyond short demos to become a solution that companies can actually use. Musk's goals for Gen 3 are bold. He has said Tesla wants to make 5,000 units this year and already has the parts to make 10 to 12,000. Even if they only reach half of that, he said, it would be a success. He even joked that 5,000 robots is the size of a Roman army unit. He added that next year they aim for 50,000 robots, then 100,000 or more by 2026, up to 500,000 or even 1 million by 2027, and someday over 1 billion per year if global demand grows. These numbers sound huge, but they show Tesla's belief in its factory system. Using its own battery plants, vehicle parts, and big factories, Tesla is ready to build at scale. Tesla's rollout plan for Gen 3 is smart. First, they will use 1,000 bots in their own factories this year. These robots will help with jobs like moving battery parts and supplies. Musk sees this as both a test and a way to prove the robot's value. By 2026, Tesla will start selling the robot to the public. Businesses can also rent the bots for flexible work. First prove the value inside factories, then bring it to everyone else. Musk says this product is Tesla's most important one. Unlike cars, which often sit unused, the robot will work for hours each day, doing chores, making goods, and even helping in space missions. He sees a world where each person has a robot partner, and where Tesla becomes worth $25 trillion because of it. He truly believes Gen 3 will be 10 times more impactful than any other Tesla product. Musk says this is not just about parts, it is about a full system working together. From powerful batteries to self-driving software and skilled manufacturing, everything had to click to make this happen. Do you believe the Tesla Bot Gen 3 could become more important than a car in daily life? Share your thoughts in the comments section. Thank you for watching. If you want to keep discovering incredible Tesla tech and future updates, please like and share this video. Do not forget to subscribe to Amp Drive and hit the bell so you never miss what's coming next. See you in the next one.